Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing this beautiful reversed cat eye makeup look, the best makeup for hooded eyes, because let me tell you, this is showing, but if you have a liner over your eyelids and you have a hooded eyes, it's barely showing. So this is a great alternative for you. I'm going to show you how to do it step by step, everything. But before we do that, make sure to subscribe to my channel for 5 beautiful videos a week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. My makeup is done except my eyes, and I'm feeling so good right now. Except I wanted to try the newest trend that is done by Painted by Spencer, and it is the reversed cat eye, which I think is so cool, especially if you have like hooded eyes or anything and you don't have a lot of space on your eyelid. I think it's a great alternative to have a very smoky eye kind of effect. And I wanted to recreate it today, a little challenge, and we're gonna go with, you know, long-lasting pencils, eyeshadows, anything. So we're gonna go with this is the Point Made Busty Brown pencil, and I just sharpened it not too long ago, and we're gonna go straight into it. This one, I don't have a lot of wiggle room, like you would say, so I'm gonna have to go straight into it and then blend it right away because this is gonna dry on me and it's not gonna move anymore. And then we'll go straight into it. I'm gonna go under my waterline first. Okay, so I place it like this. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. And then I bring it up to start doing the liner that I want. I'm following my natural line. This looks cute already. I'm gonna put a little bit more, especially here. I feel like it's such a cool look, and I'm gonna bring it up a little bit on the upper lashes just because I want a little dramatic effect. There's one thing that they like to do, which I'm not going to do, is to put it in the waterline just because I still want my eye to stay open in a way. And I feel like if I put anything in my waterline, like the brown, it's going to close up my eye, and I want to avoid that. So I feel like this is a pretty good shape, and I'm going to keep the inner corner here with the eyeshadows that I'm going to put. So I'm going to go do the other side real quickly. You know, I want to kind of like blend it even more. There's different ways to do this eye look. Obviously, you can keep it very high, very precise, very tiny, or you can blend it out and be really, really crazy with it. And first, I kind of want to set this brown and to see where it goes. So I'm gonna go with the shade Embark here in the Flame-Boyant eyeshadow palette, and taking a very, I would say, tiny brush as well. This is the Morphe M431. This one is a little bit more like kind of pointy, and I feel like going with this and then just packing it on kind of like to where the areas that I need. It's really gonna smoke it out at the same time. So as you can see, like I'm adding the shadow and it's deepening and it's making it a little bit thicker. But so far, I really like the effect. I like it better with the eyeshadow, of course, because without the eyeshadow, it's kind of a bit sharp. You know, if you want it sharp at the top and like smoky at the bottom, you could go with a little brush. And then you really like sharpen everything. I don't have any product whatsoever. I'm just going in with the brush and then placing the product, and then even at the end here I could be like, oh, I want this a little bit more sharp. So you could keep it very simple or then add a little pop of color wherever you want. Painted by Spencer. It was very dark, grungy, something very nice. It wasn't too thick either, so I feel like we're gonna keep it like that. But I'm gonna take kind of like a liner brush, which I have it right here. This is the MAC 210, and I'm gonna go back into the brown that we have, and I'm just gonna, you know, go and then sharpen everything up with that little liner brush. I love these liner brushes because I can be precise and then add the pigment wherever I need it in a very, very precise manner. So, and already it looks so much sharper. It's something that I highly recommend you guys if you're doing this look. And I need this liner brush because I need to do my wing liner in the inner corner, going up and then down. I think I prefer this one because it's actually thicker. I'm gonna make it thicker on this side too because this is so pretty. And then I connect the little inner wing into the upper lash line. Ooh, look at this little liner, crazy. I was wondering, do I put some yellow? Do I put something else? I'm like, oh, am I gonna mess it up if I do something? I was like, I want to put like, you know, in a corner, I like highlight anything, but I really like the one color type of thing right now. I just feel that it's not enough, and I kind of don't want to go pink. I've been really into the warm tones right now, and I feel like if I put a pop of yellow, it's really gonna change the game. Okay, so we're gonna check the colors. And I love this palette just for that one color in there. That yellow is just really amazing. So we're gonna go with that one. I need something very precise, like I said. I'm gonna go with that little pencil brush into the yellow, and hopefully that's not a mistake. So, whew. Okay, we're going in. And I'm just gonna go really, really close to the brown and just slightly like blend out. And then after that, I'll go back with the other brush that I was using and then blend it out. Ooh, that is looking really, really good already. I'm like packing it out right under and kind of like blending it at the same time. That's why I love these brushes. And then bringing it in the curve, but not bringing it all the way to the inner corner, because I want like that really kind of like effect in the inner corner. I feel like this yellow was definitely a yes. Oh yes. I'm kind of crazy with those yellow colors. I'm like, yes, yellow. Yellow you can blend it with so many different colors. It's insane. But this one is definitely a winner. A winner for this eye look. Ooh, so much more intense. You see the difference between this? It's like simple, cute, little bit intense, but then you have the yellow over here, and yes. Yes, totally. Maybe I was like, brown. Boring. And then I needed an extra color to feel something of my eyeshadow. And then let's go back into the shade Unbark and then blend out in between, and then just adding a little bit more brown. I feel like it's gonna be so much better. All right, so this is this is cute, this is nice. I love the color. I love the combo of the yellow and the brown. I feel like it's very different than if I just put the brown by itself. And I love the effect of it, but it's not done because obviously I don't have anything on my upper lid, which I don't really mind, to be honest, because I want to concentrate on the lower lash line, but still we gotta put something on here. So I'm gonna put the little yellow shade, the Samoa Silk, that is right there, and just very softly. You know, I don't need to do anything too crazy. It's just to put and to kind of contour with a different type of yellow, just to put a little bit of dimension, as if I blended that yellow shade, that brown shade, and I put a lot of white in it. That's what it reminds me of, and I feel like it's just fitting really, really well. Just like that. And I know I'm going like the other way. I'm supposed to do that first, but the reason why is because I didn't know for which colors I was going for. I get inspiration as I go on. I don't know if it happens to you guys, but this is my life. I just wing it most of the time. And this is what happens. So I kind of love also the contrast between my lips and the eyes. It's kind of like really, really crazy. The only thing is the yellow is thicker on one side than the other. So guys, why didn't you tell me? You probably noticed it too. All right, this is cute, and now we're getting to the highlighter part. Okay, I love highlighter, first of all, and I'm gonna go with my trusty MAC Extra Dimension Skin Finish in Double-Gleam because this one is just really beautiful. I love it. I kind of didn't want to go into the shimmer that's in there. I wanted to have like a unity with all the face, which I love. So we're gonna go with that one. This is like the under eye brush that I took earlier. I removed the pigment, and I'm just applying the Extra Dimension Skin Finish with it. Hi, the light. I always forget to turn on the light from my mirror so you guys can see something, so there's not too many shadows. Like, I don't know if you notice, guys, but like when I pluck my eyebrows, right? And then when I come to the highlighter, I notice that some hairs were not plucked, and it's really super annoying. So I'll be more careful next time. Oh, and the thing that I love to do is I pack it on, and then I go into the inner corner right here, and then I pack it right under like that. And it opens up the eye so much when you put it under like that. And then you blend it into the yellow, and it creates kind of like a unity with the rest. Most of the time I need an extra mirror to know if it looks good or not. Yes. Oh, with that hair, it's like everything. I'm like, ooh, like, Okay, so I'm gonna go put my mascara real quick, and then I will be right back for the final reveal. It's gonna be amazing. All right, so mascara is applied, and you guys, this makeup look is just amazing. And if you want to go check out, I did a review on this mascara. It's going to be up here and also down below. It is actually the new mascara from MAC Cosmetics Magic Extension. So if you want to go check it out, it's going to be all the way up here, down below, and also at the end in the little, you know, screen at the end. You know, the videos that are there. So anyways, I really love this makeup look, honestly. I think it's super cute. I love how it just lifts the eye in a different way. And of course, it really opens up the eye, the lower lashes, depending on how you place the pigments, the colors, everything. And also, before I applied the mascara, I decided to put a little bit of brown right where my lashes is, but like my lash line at the top, because I felt like it wasn't like connected enough, and I wanted something that was connected. So it's like I reversed the makeup look, which is the reverse cat eye. That's why it's set that. So this would be at the top and this would be at the bottom. So that's what it is. But honestly, I really love it. I feel like it's gonna be more than just a trend. It's gonna stick. Painted by Spencer is a really great artist. I love what he does. I love watching his YouTube channel as well. Like, his makeup is just so flawless, and I love it. So if you like this makeup look, make sure to make a big like, push the thumbs down below for the makeup, for the algorithm, anything. It would really mean the world to me. And also comment down below what you think about this makeup look. Would you have tried another color? Do you want to try but with another color? I would love to know that. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel for 5 beautiful videos a week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really, really love you, beauties, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.